Hey there, how you doing? It's Sam here with your daily video, and today we're going to be talking about how to make money on Instagram with just 1,000 followers. How can you actually make money with only 1,000? Very first thing to note is that 1,000 followers on Instagram is basically nothing, but it doesn't mean that you can't make money from it. You just need to know how to. Understand also, however, on Instagram is very much about virality, okay? I know because I know how to build a channel of 50 to 100 to 150,000 people following a specific Instagram account. But here's the thing, you need to know exactly how to go about doing that. Now, I'm assuming if you're searching this term, you've already got 1,000 followers or something thereabouts. Here's what you can do to generate some income from having 1,000 followers on Instagram. There are a few ways to make money, okay? Number one is you can actually do shout outs. And what that actually means is whatever niche it is that you've built your followers through, you can actually go to other people on Instagram that are trying to build up their accounts and offer them shout outs. What's a shout out? Shout outs are basically where you're going to copy paste something that the other person has given you, and perhaps maybe one of the images. So for example, you can post up an image maybe of a motivational quote and say you got this from Addicted to Success, and shout out to them for providing the valuable content that they do and the great image that they do. Okay, that's a shout out. In doing so, because what actually happens is when you do shout outs, right, the idea is that your followers will see what it is that you posted, and then they'll check out the person that you've recommended, okay? So it's a good idea for those who are trying to build their channels. It's always a good idea to offer shout outs for sale if you've got a bigger, more authoritative account, right? So the bigger your account, the more money you can actually make. And that's what I'm saying with 1,000 followers on Instagram. Yes, it's something, and yes, you can make some sort of money from it, but not a lot, okay? So don't expect a lot while you're building. As you get bigger and bigger, you can charge more and more for your shout outs. The other way that you can make money with 1,000 followers on Instagram is when you create your post in your particular niche, what you would want to do is have some sort of an affiliate offer back on your profile, okay? So what you can do is you have something that maybe you promote. Let's just say, for argument's sake, you have an Instagram account based around fitness, all right? And throughout Instagram, what you do is you provide, motivation. You provide images of and text on how to work out and tips and so on and so forth. And then what you do is you refer people back to your bio link. And your bio link is actually to a product that you're promoting, either a product of your own or perhaps maybe a product that you're actually selling on someone else's behalf. Maybe it's something to do with whey protein powder, right? It could actually have something to do with a fitness workout program. And for you, if you sell it, obviously you get a commission, or if it's your own product, you get the full amount. That's another way. So you need to build authority with those 1,000 people that are in your account. Therefore, key engagement is key, which is a very obvious thing across all social media platforms, okay? The third way that you can make money through 1,000 Instagram followers is that you can inbox people privately, okay? If they're obviously liking your page and liking your content, they're following you, obviously they're interested in what it is that you actually do. You have to be willing to get to a point where you're basically recruiting them, okay? You're prospecting people, i.e. you're actually chatting with them, you're inboxing them and say, hey, look, thank you so much for following me on Instagram. I'm very interested